Installation instructions for Coinsnap for WooCommerce. Learn here how to install the Coinsnap for WooCommerce plugin in 3 steps and offer your customers the opportunity to shop quickly and easily with Bitcoin in your WooCommerce store today. First, you need to install the Coinsnap for WooCommerce plugin. To do this, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins section and click on Add New. Now enter Coinsnap for WooCommerce in the search bar and click on Install Now. Then activate the plugin by clicking on the button Activate. Now Bitcoin Lightning is available as an additional payment method in the WooCommerce settings under the menu item payments listed. After you have installed and activated the Coinsnap for WooCommerce plugin, you have to make the Coinsnap plugin settings. Go to WooCommerce/settings in the black sidebar on the left. Open the Coinsnap Settings tab, top right. Now you have to enter in the fields below your Coinsnap store ID and enter your Coinsnap API key. You can find this information in the Coinsnap backend under Settings, Store. There you will find the Coinsnap store ID and the Coinsnap API key. Copy this into the WooCommerce Coinsnap settings. Click on Save Changes below to save the settings. Now WooCommerce can transfer all Bitcoin transactions from your customer's wallet to your Bitcoin Lightning wallet. There's just one last step left and you can sell anything in your WooCommerce store for Bitcoin. Now open the WooCommerce settings, the rider payments, and you will see a list of available payment methods. Activate Coinsnap as a payment option by sliding the switch to the right. Bitcoin Lightning is now available as a payment method in your WooCommerce checkout. If you want, you can now make a few individual settings. To do this, click on the Finish Setup or Manage button. First, make sure that the payment gateway is activated. Name the payment method. Inform your customers about the next step of the payment process. Label the button for the payment process, and if you want to show a different icon instead of the stored icon, simply upload your own icon. Now save the changes and snap your Bitcoin with Coinsnap for WooCommerce. If you already have a Bitcoin Lightning wallet and have set up your Coinsnap account and follow these instructions, you have in just a few minutes, Bitcoin Lightning payment is implemented in your WooCommerce shop. It couldn't be easier or faster. Click on the button now and set up your Coinsnap account. Start using Coinsnap for WooCommerce and snap your Bitcoin today.